The Amazon jungle, also referred to as the Amazon rainforest, is a sprawling and ecologically diverse tropical rainforest located in South America. It covers around 5.5 million square kilometers and boasts a remarkable array of plant and animal life. The Amazon basin stretches across 9 countries: Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. This rainforest is renowned as one of the most biologically diverse regions on the planet, hosting millions of species including plants, animals, insects, and microorganisms. Its significance extends beyond its biodiversity, as it plays a critical role in regulating the Earth's climate by serving as a major carbon sink and contributing to global weather patterns. Additionally, the Amazon is inhabited by numerous indigenous communities who have a deep connection to the land.
The Amazon rainforest, also known as the Amazon jungle, is a vast and biodiverse tropical rainforest in South America, covering 5.5 million square kilometers. It is home to millions of plant and animal species, making it a hub for scientific research. The rainforest plays a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide and influencing global weather patterns. Additionally, the Amazon is a cultural treasure, with indigenous communities relying on its resources for centuries. This diverse region needs protection for the benefit of nature and humanity.
The Amazon rainforest is a rich habitat for a wide variety of plant and animal species. It boasts approximately 16,000 tree species, such as the Brazil nut tree and rubber tree, making it a paradise for unique flora. Numerous plants in the Amazon possess medicinal properties that have been utilized for generations by indigenous communities. Notably, the rainforest is home to a diverse range of mammals like jaguars and sloths, as well as more than 1,300 bird species, including macaws and toucans. Reptiles and amphibians, such as anacondas and poison dart frogs, are abundant in the region. Furthermore, the Amazon is brimming with millions of insect species, ranging from vibrant butterflies to ants and mosquitoes.
The Amazon rainforest is a vast reservoir of biodiversity, housing approximately 16,000 tree species, including iconic trees like the Brazil nut and rubber tree. Indigenous communities have long valued the medicinal properties of plants such as quinine, which have been used for centuries. In addition to its rich botanical diversity, the region is also teeming with a variety of wildlife. Majestic mammals like jaguars and sloths roam the lush landscape, while over 1,300 species of birds, from vibrant macaws to colorful toucans, fill the skies with their songs. The waters of the Amazon are home to reptiles like caimans and anacondas, while the forest floor is alive with vibrant insects such as butterflies and beetles. This vibrant and diverse ecosystem showcases the incredible beauty and complexity of the natural world.